Western Maryland, emergency crews have been busy containing some wind damage there. DC News Now's Stephen Cohen has been following efforts there to keep folks safe and sheltered from the severe elements there.
Considering how strong sustained winds have been here, weather impacts are not as severe as anticipated.
It has been a busy 24 hours plus for the Washington County Department of Emergency Services.
Wires down, trees blocking roads. Crews were out handling those along with the highway crews, and Potomac Edison was involved, obviously.
And while keeping the power online was a priority, so too was helping the unhoused. Carmelo Colon is with the Hope Center in Hagerstown.
After spending a night in the severe cold with those winds that were just like sharp pains. They're in pain, they're freezing, they're looking for extra clothes, they suffer.
Meanwhile, firefighters from western Washington County were dispatched today to West Virginia's eastern panhandle to contain a brush fire in Morgan County near Berkeley Springs.
They're fighting the winds along with trying to control that fire.
And emergency crews remain on standby should relief be needed in neighboring West Virginia. Reporting from Washington County, Maryland, Stephen Cohen, DC News Now.